Today, I'm going to teach you how to run Windows 11 on your Apple Silicon Mac. Now that's M1, M2, and M3 powered Macs using a software called Parallels. This video is sponsored by TapMob. If you go to the link in the description, it's going to take you to my link tree where you can then click on this offer right here. That's going to send you $750 to your Cash App instantly once you complete 20 deals. All you have to do is enter your email and complete 20 deals. Thanks again, TapMob, for sponsoring this video. First, you're going to go to the link in the description. It's going to take you to Parallels. They do have a 2-week free trial, but this is a paid software, so just be aware of that. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the try free button, download trial. Once the download is complete, you're going to click on the install Parallels desktop DMG file. Open, okay, tap disable, and it'll begin downloading Parallels. Use Touch ID or enter your password to verify the install. Next, okay, finish. Now here's where you can download Windows 11, the ARM version of Windows 11. If you already have a ISO file, you can click other options. But for this video, we're going to click Install Windows, and it will download the ARM version of Windows 11 and install it in order for you to run it. Once it's done downloading, we'll be back. It is done downloading, it's now validating. Okay, and just like that, we're at the Windows 11 setup. And watch this, it's all automated, it's gonna get you right to the desktop. Copying Windows files. Once this is done, we'll be back. Getting files ready for installation. Data is now completed. We'll shortly be at the Windows 11 desktop. We're in Windows 11 on a Mac. And watch this, it's gonna skip this entire setup. It's all automated, very easy to do. We're almost there. Shortly, we'll be at the desktop of Windows 11 on a Mac. Isn't that crazy? And just like that, we're on the Windows 11 desktop on a Mac. You can now do things like download and install Steam and play all your favorite Steam games running through virtualization translation layer. But still, we can download Steam and we can play things like GTA 5, Witcher 3. I want to see how those two games run in particular on the brand new M3 Macs I got right here. Alright, so just for fun, here we are in GTA 5. I got the resolution set to 2560 by 1600 full screen, and all the graphics settings are set to normal. Let's run some benchmarks and see what we come up with here. Oh, okay. Okay. Not too bad. It's somewhat playable. This is crazy for a laptop though. Oh, this one's really gonna be bad. Aren't there like a shitload of explosions? Oh, yeah, there it goes. That's how you download and install Windows 11 on an Apple Silicon Mac.